Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the G68 keyboard. This keyboard can be purchased on Amazon for around $70. And this keyboard comes with 3 options of switches: hot swappable red, brown, and blue switches. Who uses brown and blue switches? No offense. And they come in 2 colorways, classical red and dolce. This keyboard is north facing, so it might have interference with certain cherry keycaps. On the other hand, this keyboard has some bright lighting, so you can see it pretty easily basically. This keyboard is tri-mode, which basically means it has 3 modes: Bluetooth 5.1, wireless 2.4G, and USB-C. It comes with a 2.4 gigahertz adapter, connects up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, in-key rollover, and wired mode. It has 3 USB ports, so basically USB-C and some normal USB ports. The keycaps are made of high-quality, durable PBT material, so it's not easy to be oiled and worn out. It is hot swappable. So this is a hot swappable keyboard that supports 5-pin switches and 3-pin switches. And you can there's also some software that you can use with this keyboard. However, once I tried it, and it didn't exactly it didn't detect the keyboard basically. So also forgot to mention there are some keybinds like FN and there's some keybinds basically that allow you to change the color of the lighting. So that's pretty cool. Here's a quick sound test. Also, quick note that I actually changed the switches out recently for Gateron Milky Yellow Pros, so it might sound different than red switches and brown switches and blue switches. So, yeah, let's get on with it. Now let's have a talk about the keycaps. They are in double injection, so I don't think they ever, the legends ever fade. And, yeah, that's the keycaps basically. In the package, it includes the keyboard, an adapter, a USB-C cable, a keycap and switch puller, and some 4 replaceable switches. Now let's talk about their pre-installed stabilizers in the keyboard. So, in my opinion, these stabilizers, I think they're pre-lubed, lightly, but I'm not sure. But they are pretty rattly. Take a listen. It makes like a rattly noise, basically. It's easier to hear in person, and I think these are clip-on stabilizers. Don't quote me on that. I don't really know. But that's my experience on the stabilizers, basically. And I forgot to talk about the battery. The battery can last you up to around 48 hours with RGB lighting on, so that's pretty cool. Also, lastly, I would like to point out, this keyboard was actually given to me by my friend, so I'll leave a channel link in the description where you can go subscribe to him. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you another day.